severe thunderstorm watch number 233, effective until midnight, Friday, or 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Blake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Willand, Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Blake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Prince Harbor to Michigan City, and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to New Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, and 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.